Hey traders, are you guessing where the forex market trend is heading? What if I tell you that there is a simple way to read the forex market like a pro? In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to master the forex market structure, and by the end you will take on a challenge to prove your skills. Ready? Let's dive in. First of all, what is market structure? It's how the markets move over time, and there are three main phases you need to know. Uptrend, where price is going up, and downtrend, where price is going down. And we have consolidation or ranging market, where price moves sideways. In an uptrend, price creates higher high and higher lows. Higher high, higher lows, higher high. This means buyers are in control, pushing price up. Your goal is to look for a pullback to enter at a lower price and ride the trend upwards. In downtrend, it's the opposite. The market makes lower lows, lower highs, and again lower lows and lower highs. Here, you want to look for opportunities to sell or short the market. Finally, consolidation or ranging market. Ranging market is when the price moves sideways. It's when price moves sideways, bouncing between supply and demand. The market is basically taking a break for the next move. This phase is perfect for quick traders, but you need to be cautious about false breakouts. Let's dive into the charts. We have a clear example of an uptrend. Here, as you all can see, we have a higher low, a higher high, a higher low here, and a higher high, higher low again, and a higher high. Here is a clear example of an uptrend. While in downtrends, as you all can see, we have a lower low here, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and a lower low again. Here is a very good example of a downtrend. And here, as you all can see, we have a ranging market or a consolidation. As you all can see, price kept on bouncing this level, this resistance level, and this supply level. So that's it, traders. Understanding forex market is the first step to mastering forex. If this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notification for more trading tutorials. See you in the next video.